Hello everyone, we got a package, and this is Insta360 1R 1 inch edition co-engineered with Leica. Now, this is a very old product which was launched long way back, and I was getting it for a cheaper price, so I thought I'll buy it and see how the 1 inch sensor compares against other latest action cameras. So it has 5.3K 30 fps 4K 60, which is what we want. 19 megapixel camera, 1 inch sensor, low state stabilization, waterproof up to 5 meters, voice control, reversible touchscreen that I'll show you how it is, adaptive design, and hyperlapse, HDR photo, and then night shoot. On the back, we have what all things comes into the box. We have core, 1 inch wide angle mode, battery base, mounting bracket, and the charging cable. This can be used by iPhone and Android as well. You got to serial number, and here comes other accessories. So whatever is in color comes up in the box, but these are kind of extra accessories which we can buy. So these modes are sold separately. We have dual lens 360 mode as well, and 4K wide angle mode as well, and then we have boosted battery. Not sure those are available still in the market. So let's quickly unbox. So before that, I wanted to mention that the first version I got it from Flipkart was defective. The battery was having an issue, so I had to send it back to Insta360 for a replacement battery. And that's a nightmare. You have to pay the shipping charges and other stuff, and Flipkart doesn't take any accountability there. So uh, beware when you're buying something of this sort from Flipkart, and I'll suggest you go via my Amazon for a better support, even though that also has introduced this service center warranty. So ensure you see that when you're purchasing a product. So this is the action camera. So this is the battery, this is the 1 inch lens, and this is the core. Core is basically the processing hub for all these. Why we call it modular? It's because we can remove everything. So just see, I have removed the battery module. Now I can just remove everything. So we have this core equipment, we have the lens. If you just want to swap a different lens, we just need to buy a separate one and then just plug it. And also we can use it like this. So yeah, these are different ways, and then we can use a different battery also. And it has a display on the back side, or however you use it. So it's nice. So let's see what all accessories comes with the box. I think this is charging cable, and then we have the mount and few stickers and silica gel, just if you have any extra, and then cleaning cloths for cleaning the lens, and then the booklet. So I think that's all we had. So let's quickly put it back. So then we have this, so just need to and then yes, ready to go. So only thing is, when you want to put this into this mounting bracket, right, you have to remove this. It has grooves for a screw. uh, then what we have to do, we have to remove this. So yeah, we have removed back. So there was some disturbance in between. So yeah, I've just screwed this. Sorry, I have to unscrew this like this. Must put it like this and lock it. Then just place it on top of it, and it's ready to go. So I think we just need to turn it on. Okay, it's turned on, and let me see if we can connect it. So let's see, it's working. Close it up. So that's it for the unboxing of Insta360 1R. You see this getting scratched. So I think the rubber quality has degraded over time. So we'll see what we can do. I think for now, okay. I think that is only specific to the case and not the inside one. Inside one is still fine. So I'm good. One headache. So the only thing I bought this was because of this 1 inch. I need to take some very good videos of night mode because the GoPro night video, as everybody knows, is shit. But yeah, this quality is not that great. You see. Okay. Uh, Thanks for watching. If you still have any questions, if you bought it from Flipkart and you are facing issues with red blinking light, you know you have to get the battery replaced. So, thank you.